Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to buy iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 GB. So see you their showroom.
يضمن لك اللي هو اللون.
الله بالعافية.
في نوع ثاني من الدربات؟
في نوع ثاني بس هذه جودتها مرة حلوة.
3000
مرة جميل. مش ضد كسر مقاوم كسر. لأنه لسه العالم الحلال يكسر.
يبغى تعميد
لا
ما يبغى.
لا غالي 700. إن شاء الله أنا ركب كويس.
انت طيب
لا بس أنا ركب كويس. 5000 هنا.
هو يدخل هو الظاهر ما في المسك بده المجان يبدا ضمان جديد سنه واحده جديد يبدا كل سنه
خلاص اي
مم.
موبايل نمبر
056 97 42 398. Yes.
موبايل اورنجي
Rango. Put up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
दिखा दो आगे की सीन दिखा दो आगे की सीन पास में चला خلاص ركب انت
شكرا. नहीं कस्टमर सर्विस से पे बात कर लो ना. Thank you. So guys, finally I come back by my iPhone. So my phone in my hand. So let's see this one. This one, my iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 GB. And this one back cover. And this one screen protector. And this one adapter Apple adapter USB. So guys, let's unboxing this iPhone. And this color name Sierra Blue. Inside the box this one user guide, and this one USB cable, and this one iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's see this one. Sorry, this phone already unboxing because I need to put my protector screen. Now this one going to on, then swipe up. This one English, select your country. So I will choose Saudi Arab because I am working here. Saudi Arab. Quick start, setup manually, choose a Wi-Fi network. So my Wi-Fi also connected. So guys, this is my iPhone. You can see this is looking like this, and slim like this. 3 camera, 12 megapixel camera, front and secondary. And this is my adapter for charging. And this one back cover. This one back cover. So guys, hope you like my video. So if you like my video, so please like and comment, and if you're new here, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz. Masalam. This is iPhone party. Lotus Fondo and Americano. Wow, mashallah. Come guys, join us.